Hi, welcome back to Paint with Josh. Today we did a gorgeous 16 by 20 inch painting with so many colors. I lost count. It was 2, black and white, and it turned out fantastic. You're obviously excited about it. That's why you chose to click on this link and watch this video, and I'm super thankful for that. So, without any further ado, let's get to it. Oh my God, that was so perfect. And now I'll never know what I said. I lost it for the ages. All right, here we go. Hi guys, welcome back to Paint with Josh. Today we did a gorgeous 16 by 20 inch black. Oh man, that was it. I remembered it right after I said it. I hope you guys are having a good time watching me screw up. Hi, welcome back to Paint with Josh. Today we did a gorgeous 16 by 20 inch landscape. We did a landscape. Where's my drink? Hi, welcome back to Paint with Josh. Today we did a gorgeous 16 by 20 inch painting with so many colors. I lost count. It was 2. It was black and white. Man. Here we go. Let's do it. We're gonna nail it on this one. Hi, welcome back to Paint with Josh. Today we did a gorgeous 16 by 20 inch landscape with so many colors. I lost count. It was like 2, black and white. You're obviously excited about painting this painting, and I'm super excited that you clicked on it and very grateful. So without any further ado, let's hop into it. Let's get ready to go. We're gonna do it just like this. All right, that's not what I wanted to say. I was getting lost, but I didn't want to lose it completely. So maybe not the best take, and I didn't snap in the beginning, so it don't matter. But here we are. Hi guys, welcome back to Paint. Hi guys, welcome back to Paint with Josh with my radio voice likes to come out. Oh my goodness. Maybe we should just be more chill. Hey, what's up, yo? Welcome back to Paint with Josh. We did a 16 by 20 inch canvas today, just 2 colors, and that turned out fantastic. You obviously think so as well. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this one, like that, right? No one's gonna watch that. Not for me anyway, I wouldn't watch that. So let's do it. Well guys, I can't wait to, son of a crap. Here we go. Man, this one turned out fantastic, guys. I can't wait to see your version of it. Make sure you send it into facebook.com/paintwithjosh or instagram.com/@paintwithjoshk. And don't put the @ in front of it, Josh. Here we go. Okay. Well, guys, this one turned out fantastic, and I'm so excited to see your version of this painting. No tools. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Let's do it again. Well, guys, I'm so excited. All right. Okay, here we are. Boom! Finally, I remembered what the heck I was supposed to say.